What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today is Wednesday, February 17th, 2021. Another cold day here in Texas. I was able to work from home again today. Not too much working really, but I put in a good 30 minutes of work at least. And the rest of the day, just trying to stay warm, this and that, the deal. And of course, day trading as well, while also sneaking in a few naps here and there in between these day trades that didn't go so well. But at the end of the day, I think I made almost around $1,000 on day trading today alone. I actually was able to have a green day, I think mainly because of that alone. Otherwise, it was probably just going to be another red day for me. So that was good to see that I ended up green. It was pretty much the ones that I was playing with yesterday. I just kept the trend going today. It started off great since overall it was a red day and I had my puts that I had bought yesterday. And, I'm glad I didn't sell them when I was really close to doing so yesterday, but glad I held through and was able to get more profits out of them. And so let's just go on through the main ones that changed today. So, Salesforce was the one I was day trading the most. I actually sold, I had the put, I sold that for like $230, and then I bought a call, sold that for like 100 something, and then I bought another put, or I bought two more puts, and now we're down 60 on it right now, but hopefully tomorrow starts off red and then I can sell it off, but only down $60 isn't too bad. Not worried about it because I bought it close to the closing bell, so it didn't have much time to move around anyways. And then the other one was, which one was I day trading? Oh, Chewy. Where'd Chewy go? There it is. Chewy, I had the put. That one actually did really good. I sold it for $5.50 this morning, or close to afternoon time. It was like right around here. I think I sold it. And then I bought a call, and that's what I still have right now. Actually, I got two calls now. So before I only had enough money to buy one put, and from that $5.50 I made, I was able to get two calls now. And so I'm just gonna let it ride up eventually here. Hopefully it does. I don't know. I don't think it'll roll down another day like it has, because I knew it went up $8 or like close to 9 on Friday last week. I knew it was going to go down that same amount, if not a little bit more, before it starts going up again. And today, overall, I don't remember what it was actually looking like. Let's just pull it up real quick. So today, it went down another $4. So Friday, it was right here at 119, and then went down to 115, 114, 111. So 119 went down $9. So, this is pretty much where it was for the most part, right around this peak, 107 to 110 range. And so I think it's going to start going up again now. So that's why I bought two calls. I got till March 5th, which isn't very long really, but again, I think it's going to go up here soon, most likely tomorrow, if not Friday. And we'll make that money back. I think I'm only down $20 right now anyways. Or was it? I can't keep up with it anymore. Let's see. Yeah, I'm down $20 right now, so that's not a big deal, only 1.5%. And so that's the only two I was day trading today. Like I said yesterday as well, I bought into Apple. I bought 3 contracts, 3 calls. Should have bought puts now that I look at it here today, but down 363. I actually went and bought one more call just to average down a little bit, since I have till April 16th, which is still almost 2 months away now, 1 day away from 2 months. So there's plenty of time. Apple has only got to go up like $9, so I think at some point in time it'll probably happen, especially if they start talking about this electronic vehicle stuff. One little rumor and then that they will shoot up, and I'll be happy. Especially having 4 calls now. Shoot, I might even buy one more if it goes down again. And so that was it for that stuff. I noticed that my grocery stocks were the ones that really went up today. So like Albertsons went up, Kroger went up, Costco went up, Costco again went up. Nobody cares about Nokia. Okay. They already say Walmart because Walmart went up. Yeah, Walmart went up. So they all went up. Everything else went down. Blue Apron tomorrow. They have in the pre-market, they got their earnings call. I'm a little bit worried right now because, you know, I'm up about 6.1K overall. And the fact that it was red today in anticipation for earnings call in the morning, you know, it makes me think people are expecting, you know, the earnings call to go poorly. And, you know, the sales and everything's not going to look as good as it should. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully it's the exact opposite and it just shoots to the moon for whatever reason. But even if it does go bad, hopefully it's not, you know, a drastic drop, like $2-3 drop. Hopefully it's only like within $1 so that, you know, it still has time to go back up. Because like I said, I got till July with those. So time is on my side for that one. So I'm not too worried about it. And then in terms of my actual stocks that I got, COTY went up. Kirkland's almost came back to break even for the day. Zom is still going down for whatever reason. Spirit Airlines went up quite a bit for me today. And the rest are, you know, they pretty much broke even or stayed neutral for the most part. But USWS, man, I don't know. I'm just so happy I got into it. That my buddy finally convinced me to get into one of them that he's been mentioning. And after hours, man, look at this. It went up almost 29% in the after hours. It went up way more actually because it was at 333, right? Not even that long ago. And then of course the sell off because people are like, wow, it went up so fast. And then now they're buying it back because they're like, hold on, this thing actually has value in it. So, I mean, I'm only up $521, but that's still 67%. I ain't even mad. I bought this yesterday and I'm up, like, I'm almost up 70% now. So the sky is the limit for this one. Again, like I said, they're 5 year, they're chilling around the $10 range. I don't see why you can't hit that again, especially with the clean things that they've been doing. And look, now I'm at 70%. So look at that. We'll see what it's at, but look at that. Now I'm at 73%. It's like it's just not stopping now. But the more I look at it, more usually it goes down. So let me stop looking at it now. Let me see if it moves one more time. We'll wait for it to move one more time. Okay, see, it went down. So we're gonna stop looking at it now. And then the other one he mentioned was the what's it called? TRCH. It went down 12% today, but you know, I didn't jump into that one like I did with this one, so I'm not too worried about it. And then yesterday when I was bored in the evening time, I was just looking at random stocks through the different categories that they have. And then I seen this one, Blue Hat. I don't know anything about it, but I just saw it was cheap. Decided I'd watch it for a little bit, see what happens with it. And then Pets. I randomly fell across this one too, and for whatever reason it shot up in the after hours yesterday from about $3 range all the way to $12, almost $13 range. So I was like, what the heck happened here? And of course it wasn't, you know, it wasn't based off any news or anything like that, so it came back crumbling down to the $4 range. We'll probably keep on dropping tomorrow. You know, I would have bought option puts on it, but since it was like pretty much like a penny stock at that point, they don't have options on it, so I wasn't able to do it. So I was just gonna watch it instead, see what happened with it. And then the news. You know, it's always funny watching these top movers, and then, you know, one day, like yesterday, they'd be top movers in the green in terms of positive movement, and then you look at it the next day, like today, and the ones that were green yesterday are the top movers for going down. It's like, it's just kind of funny because they're just pumped for no reason half the time, and then they come back to what they were supposed to be at. But that's that. So we looked at stocks and the options, and then now the last but not least, crypto. The only two I look at wherever they are. Bitcoin is kind of taking off right now. I see. You know, I only got $343 worth pretty much in it, but I'm almost at $100 return, so I'm not even mad. It's one of those, again, I don't know what I would ever, if I would ever sell it, but it's nice to just see it doing something. See, like it went all the way to 311 now. And then Doge, oh wow, it's below 5 cents. What the heck? I don't know what happened with Doge, but it's coming crumbling down right now. I've been always thinking, like, what's the, for me at least, what's the best buy-in rate? Because I do want to get more. I'm not satisfied with having my, what is it, 95,000 DogeCoin. I want at least 500,000 at some point in time, close to 1 million. You know, just in case it does do that run, which is, it's gonna happen eventually. Who knows when? Maybe a decade from now, maybe 2 decades from now, maybe a year from now. You never know. But you know, I got my super low average. That's why I don't really want to mess it up too much by buying, you know, too high up. I was thinking maybe the lower 3.5 and below range is when I would probably buy another $2,000 worth of Dogecoin, just to have in the bank. I was close to selling it. If it would have hit 10 cents on the Super Bowl Sunday when it did that giant run to 9 cents, I was gonna sell it and then buy it back with all my profit and everything back whenever it would drop down. So like if it would hit this range right here, this is probably what I would have bought back in, the 5 cent range. And then I would have had, I think I calculated it would have been like close to 200 something thousand Dogecoin compared to my 95,000. So, you know, I missed out on that because it didn't hit that 10 cent limit that I put for the sell price. It only hit like a little bit over 9 cents at that time. But maybe it was meant to be, not to, you know, not to be sold just yet. I'm still gonna hold strong. I'm not gonna sell it any lower than 10 cents for sure. I don't care if it goes all the way back down to my average, which I doubt that'll ever happen. But even if it went there, I still wouldn't, well, there'd be no reason to sell it, but I would definitely buy way more if that were to happen. But that's all I got for you guys today. Let me know how the market went for you guys, what stocks moved, which ones didn't. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.